Hello, today we will guide you through how to download Behance fonts. To get started, open Behance and go to the main For You page. This is a good starting point because it gives you access to the platform's search tools and featured creative work all in one place. Once the page is loaded, move to the search bar at the top of the screen and click into it. Next, type in fonts and run the search. This will bring up font-related projects shared on Behance. Since Behance is a creative portfolio platform, many font posts are presented as design showcases. So take a moment to look through the results carefully. You'll want to choose the font that best matches what you're looking for, whether that's a clean modern style, something decorative, or a more classic typeface. After you've found a font project you want, open it. On the project page, look toward the right corner of the screen for the Save option. Clicking Save lets you keep the project organized inside your Behance account, which can be useful if you want to come back to it later or compare it with other fonts before downloading. When the Save window appears, add the font to your mood board. This is Behance's way of collecting and organizing inspiration. If you already have a mood board set up, you can place it there. If not, you may be prompted to create or select one. Once you've chosen where to save it, click Save to confirm. After that, return to the font project and scroll down through the page. This part is important because many Behance creators place their actual download links farther down in the project description rather than at the top. As you scroll, keep an eye out for the section that includes the download call to action. When you see the Download Now button, click it. That should take you to the font download source provided by the creator. From there, follow the download instructions on the linked page to get the file onto your device. As a quick tip, always review the font's usage terms before installing or using it in a personal or commercial project. Some fonts are free for all uses, while others may have limitations. It's also a good idea to scan downloaded files and keep them in a clearly named folder so they're easy to find later. And that's how to download Behance fonts quickly and neatly using Behance's search, save, and project pages.